Welcome! It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you wanna find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
They left a girl alone with 6 pit bulls. What they did that night was amazing. This video is proving too many things. First, kids and dogs have the perfect relation together that they obey their little owner if they were well trained. Secondly, pit bulls are not dangerous canines. They are very understanding and well behaved. All they need is a loving owner who gives them a good life, and this girl proved it. Although they were once considered America's favorite breed and were widely used as nanny dogs, pit bulls are nowadays considered one of the most aggressive dogs. Unfortunately, this belief is a result of the way humans treated them throughout the years, used as fighting dogs and forced into violence. It's not surprising they are branded as dangerous. Humans have a tendency to put things in boxes. These people are bad, this breed is aggressive, that ethnic group is violent. But sometimes it can be helpful to take a close look at things, not give in to prejudice. Pit bulls are one good example of a group of dogs that are often stereotyped as aggressive and dangerous, and not to mention difficult to control. It's easy to see why the internet is going wild for a video of a little girl bossing around, then feeding 6 big blocky-headed dogs. But several animal advocates are taking to social media with concerns about the viral clip. One by one they comply, and she tells them to stay while she pours out buckets of kibble into a mound on the floor. The girl then counts to 3 before telling the dogs okay, after which they eat the food pile quietly. They are so disciplined that they are able to resist rushing in for the food, despite smelling it right in front of them. When the young girl finally indicates that it's time to dig in, they continue to manifest great discipline and control and don't fight over the food, despite that they stand crowded around one pile of food. Apart from being an adorable video that shows the beautiful connection between dogs and owners, it also comes to prove that a dog's behavior depends more on the way the dog was brought up and less on its breed. Pit bulls often get branded as dangerous and aggressive, causing many to misunderstand and fear the entire breed. A woman named Nina Wall is a pit bull lover who wants to change the stigma attached to these otherwise loving and gentle canines. How she did it? By posting a video of her 4-year-old niece trying to control and feed 6 of them. The clip went viral and thousands of people took a stand. Many said how she put the life of the girl in danger, whereas others only took the video as a definite proof that pit bulls are in fact amazing animals. To combat this stigma, Nina Wall posted this sweet video of her 4-year-old niece, Taisley Rose, in total control of 6 hungry pit bulls. The little girl could be seen carrying food for the hungry dogs. They stand still and don't move even an inch until the little lady puts the food in their bowls and counts to 3 before she gives them a command to start munching on their lunch. Their discipline is incredible, their self-control too. In the clip below, however, we witness just the opposite. This video has received more than 15 million views on YouTube, with many praising how well the little girl handles the dog. What do you think about this sweet moment between little girl and her dogs? Please share along if you agree this moment is impressive from both sides. Share the way to dominate this girl to her dogs.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.